Here is a quick tutorial on engraving multiple tags with the Express Engraver. First, create a text file or an Excel file with 2 columns. Here I have one column with names and the other column has phone numbers. We will import the data from this file into the software. The names and numbers will be automatically distributed into our heart tag template. The names will be placed on top and the numbers on the bottom. To begin, select the multiples icon on the top menu bar. This will open the multiples setup window. Next, select the 2 fields to be populated by the name and phone number data, then click the Browse button. Navigate to the text or Excel file with the name and phone number data, select and open the file. Click OK. This will open the text substitution window. Here you can confirm the data and that the correct file has been selected. Click OK to confirm and import the data into the software. You are now ready to engrave. Select the names and numbers and send the job over to the engraver. Press the green arrow button on the Express Engraver to start engraving. You can use other tag templates to accommodate different tag shapes and sizes. This concludes our quick tutorial on engraving multiple tags with the Express Engraver. Thank you for watching.